How to capture output of subprocess.call. I have made a script that tells me the temperature of my Raspberry Pi 3, but there is a problem with the script. The result output is the bot saying your RPE3 temp is currently 0. What is wrong with my code? Edit, I don't want to run any command. Current script. At bot.command pass underscore context equals true, async def rpm to ctx, args. And I get the error.
Return underscore code will have the return code of the process. When a process exists successfully, without error, it returns a code of 0. If it errors, it returns a code of 1, or something non-zero. If you want the output of the program, that it prints to stout, this is one way to get it.
You should use subprocess.check underscore output to get the response from your command. From the docs. Subprocess.check underscore output args, stin equals none, stare equals none, shell equals false, universal underscore new lines equals false, run command with arguments and return its output as a byte string. Using call gives the return code. Subprocess.call args, stin equals none, stout equals none, stare equals none, shell equals false, run the command described by args. Wait for command to complete, then return the return code attribute.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.